Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back class 7th in your online physics class. Today I have taken up the numericals of chapter motion. This is the first question. A man walks a distance of 50 meter in 1 minute and another 50 meter in 1.5 minute. Is the motion non-uniform? Also find his average speed in meter per second. So the question is saying that a man moves a distance of 50 meter in 1 minute and then it moves another 50 meters in how much time? In 1.5 minute, right? So say this distance d1 and this distance d2 and this distance time and this time t1 and this time t2. So d1 is equals to 50 meters and the t1 is 1 minute. Convert this into second. We all know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So this is 60 seconds. Now d2 is equals to 50 meters and t2 is 1.5 minute. Convert this into second, multiplied by 60, you will get the answer 90 seconds. Now we have to find tell me, is the motion non-uniform? No, it is not the non-uniform motion. So our first answer is no, it is not the non-uniform motion. Now we have to find the average speed. So first we find out the total distance. So total distance is d1 plus d2. That means 50 plus 50. That means 100 meters. And total time is equals to t1 plus t2. That means 60 plus 90, which is equals to 150 seconds. Now you all know that average speed is equals to what? Total distance divided by total time taken. Total time taken. So total distance is 100 and total time taken is 150 seconds. So here you get the answer. Here you get the average speed 0.66 meter second on solving this fraction. This is question number 4. A truck travels with a speed of 40 km for 30 minutes and then with a speed of 30 km per hour for 1 hour. Calculate the total distance traveled and average speed of a truck. Let's say that a truck travels 30 minutes with a speed of 40 km per hour. It travels from A to B. Let's say this distance d1 and then it moves with a speed of 30 km per hour and it covers a distance d2 in 1 hour. So we have the speed, that is s1 40 km, t1 30 minutes, and again here we have s2 30 kilometers and t2 1 hour. Now first what we have to find out, we have to find out the total distance traveled. We know the speed, we know the time, so we can easily find out the total distance covered by a truck. That means we will find the distance d1. So we have s1 is equals to 40 km per hour, t1 30 minutes. Convert this into hour because our speed is in kilometer per hour. So we will convert this time into hours. 30 minutes is equals to how many hours? 1/2 hours. Right? Now from here we'll find out the distance, that is d1. So distance is what? Speed into time. And we have 40 and 1 upon 2. Cancel out. Here we get the distance 20 kilometers. Similarly, we have the speed 30 kilometer per hour and time 1 hour. So the distance would be speed into time, that means 30 into 1, that means 30 kilometers. So total distance traveled is equals to d1 plus d2, that means 20 plus 30, which is equals to 50 kilometers. This is the total distance traveled. Next we have to find out the average speed. So let's find out the total time taken. Total time taken is equals to t1 plus t2, which is equals to 1 upon 2 plus 1. Here we have to add the fractions. On adding the fraction here, you will get 3/2 hours. This is the total time taken. Now average speed. Average speed is what? Average speed is equals to total distance divided by total time taken. Right? So total distance is 50 kilometers and total time is 3/2. Now on reciprocating, here we get 2/3 and here we get, on solving this, you will get 33.33 kilometer per hour. This is question number 5. A car starting from rest picks up a velocity of 15 meter per second in 20 seconds. Find the acceleration of the car. So acceleration, what is acceleration? Acceleration is change in velocity upon total time taken. So change in velocity is what? That is v minus u. So what is the initial velocity here? Initial velocity, we denote the initial velocity by small u. Initial velocity here is 0 because initially the car was at rest, right? Now what is the final velocity here? Final velocity here, that is v, here is 15 meter per second. This is the final velocity. And the time is 20 seconds. Now what is acceleration? Acceleration is equals to change in velocity divided by time. So change in velocity is what? V minus u divided by time. So v is 15 and u is 0 and divided by time, that is 20. So here we get 15 divided by 20, which is equals to 0.75 meter per second square. This is our acceleration. This is question number 8. The mass of an object is 47 kilogram. Express its weight in, first we have to express the weight in kilogram force, that is kgf, and second is Newton. So first we all know that 1 kilogram is equals to 1 kilogram force. So from 47 kilogram is equals to 47 kilogram force. Okay. Now this is the A part. Now B part, we have to express its weight in Newton. So we all know that weight is equals to mg. And we take the value of g 10 here. 10 meter per second. So, and what is the mass here? Mass is 47 kilogram. So W is equals to 47 into 10. That is 470 newtons. This is our weight in Newton.